put your love on me, 'cause I won't let you down, I won't let you down. And we'll be singing, girl, put your love on me. I feel it all around.
Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm really excited because I'm finally filming on my brand new camera, and I will have the exact one that I'm using linked down below if you guys want to check it out. So far I absolutely love it. Like I said, this is the first video that I'm filming on. I have taken a lot of pictures with it and tested it out, and I really love it so far. So if you guys have been following me and you saw one of my most recent giveaways, I did give away my older camera that I used for like the whole start of my YouTube channel, and I did love that camera, but it was time for an upgrade. So I'm using this camera now and I really like it, like I said. But let's just jump right into the video because today I actually have another giveaway for you guys. So I am going to be giving away the Life Planner, which looks like this. Now this is my customized version of Condren planner, but whoever wins the giveaway, I am going to be messaging you guys and letting you pick out the exact planner that you want. So it can be any design that you want, any customization or printing on it, whatever you guys would like, I will give that planner to you. So all you have to do for this giveaway is just subscribe to my channel. That's it, and let me know down below in the comments that you have entered, because as I've said before in my giveaways, I do pick the giveaway by like a random generator through the comments. So please just comment down below if you have entered, and that's how I will pick the winner. I'm going to pick the winner when I get back from my cruise, so around, I want to say I get back on the 1st of May. So I will be picking the giveaway winner the 1st of May. So, and I will be direct messaging you guys and letting you know that you have won. So just subscribe to my channel and comment down below, and it's as easy as that. But anyways, I'm just going to get into this planner. I have been loving this planner and using it nonstop every single day. So like I said, this is the Erin Condren Life Planner, and it looks like this. I will zoom in for you guys so you can see the exact planner. So I got this light purple pastel. I don't know if you guys can see, it's really bright and it's reflecting off of my light, but like I said, I will zoom in for you guys so you can see it a little bit better. But it's this light lilac purple color with this gold foiling and white like kind of raindrop polka dots, and then I got my name engraved, Sélah Christine, on the bottom also in gold, and then I got the gold coils down. So you can also pick that color. You can get rose gold, or silver coiling. Again, when I message you and you are the winner, just let me know exactly what you want and I will place the order for you and get your address and all that stuff for you, because I want this to be customized for you guys and I want you to love it as much as I love it. So we're just going to jump right into it and kind of, I'm going to go through like what's inside the planner and how to use it and stuff like that. So for those of you who aren't exactly like familiar with the planning world and stuff like that, I just recently got into this, but it's really fun. It is a hobby of mine, a recent hobby of mine actually, and I will also link my blog post down below on my like review of the planner and everything too if you just want to see that as well. But so when you open it up, I just have this picture of like me in Bali with the monkey on my shoulder, and it says Bali 2017. I just think that's like a cool memory to kind of look at and stuff. So then it says Life Planner. This is the horizontal layout. So when I do pick you as a winner, I want to also know if you want the horizontal or the vertical layout. Now I will show you guys the difference and everything like that. It just depends on how your mind works, if you're more of a horizontal planner or a vertical planner. So how you want to lay out your days or how you're used to your agendas or whatever like that. So this is the horizontal version, and I did get the colored version. You can also get black and white if you're more of a black and white person. So I'm just going to flip through and kind of show you guys. So this is what the horizontal layout looks like. It looks like this. You guys can see. So obviously it's horizontal like this. It just goes like that, and then it has the days of the week, the month up here, and then I will show you guys kind of how like I customize it and the stickers that I use and stuff like that. So that's kind of how the layout looks, and then at the end of each month it has these 3 circles and then some columns down below here, so you can write like that. So I just kind of put like, this is what, I mean you can do whatever you want at the end of each month, but I usually do like my goals up here. And then I write like my YouTube videos that I'm planning for that month, and then my blog post that I'm planning for this month. So this will be for May. And then I just want to kind of show you guys, like in the back it has this really cute pocket as well. And I just keep like my stickers in here. I got these really cute sticker cases from Lovely Planner. And it's really cute because she writes your name on it and everything. It's really, really cute. So it just says Sélah. I keep like all my different stickers in here and I just pop that right in the pocket, so it's really, really handy. The planner also does come with some stickers of its own, which I will show you guys. So you get, I believe, 4 pages of stickers. So you get like these ones, which are all different like foiled, really cute like check boxes and stuff like that. Some reminders, some celebrate stickers, exclamation points, money, you know, so you can write like your bills and everything. Some mail ones when you're getting like a package, anything like that. These I like to use for like when I work, I just stick those on. And then also these as well. So really colorful, fun stickers. And it even comes with, which I thought was really, really cute, like these drawings that you can color in, which I think is really cute. It also comes with a lot of like just plain paper that you can just write notes in. So I will link down below like all my favorite sticker shops and Etsy and like all my accessories and everything. So I got like this really, really cute bow that you can get on Etsy. They have so many cute like planning, different just stickers and different layouts and kits and everything like that. So I'll show you guys how I organize my planner and everything. So like for this week I just did a really cute like St. Patrick's Day layout. I have like these cute little stickers from Etsy, like get my nails done. This is really cute. It reminds me of like Candyland, this spread that I did. So I have like these cute little checklists for all the things that I do, different days of the week, things that I need. This is like one of my favorite spreads. It was like a macaroon spread, and I will leave down below where I got this exact spread from, but it's super, super cute. So it's just like the little macaroons, and it comes with all of these full boxes. It comes with the washi, and then I just put my own washi around it. It comes with the weekend sticker, all these cute little checklists and different stickers. So it's really, really fun just to plan your weeks out. I did this. It was like a traveling theme for April, this week of April. I did all these really cute full boxes with like the cute little old-fashioned car. It says, "To travel is to live," and then like cute little Paris stickers. That one's really cute. This one I believe was from Simply Watercolor Co. I will have her Etsy store linked down below, but she does beautiful foiling. As you can see, like all of these really pretty, like it was like a tea set and macaroons and candies type of theme. So I just have like the days that I worked out, what I had for dinner, just like so I can keep my life pretty much planned out. It just keeps me organized, and I have a lot going on with my YouTube videos and my other job and everything, so it's just really easy and it keeps me really planned. And it's also really fun just to like decorate. It keeps me motivated when I get to decorate with different like stickers and everything. So this is definitely the more popular planner out of all of the planners that I've seen. So this is the horizontal layout, again, like I said. So instead of having them vertically, you will be planning this way. So let me know if you win what planner style you would like to have. I'm just more of a horizontal planner in my head. So this is this week, and I have this gorgeous, gorgeous kit. It's all like old-fashioned, like birds and flowers and like very vintage. So it's really, really pretty. So as you can see, so today I'm working all day. I have this really cute computer sticker. I went mystic tanning, so I wrote that. I have all of the things that I need to do this week before the cruise that I'm leaving on. And then next week is all of my cruise week. So I have this really cute and pretty layout from Adorable Amy Designs, and I will have her link down below as well. So the planner also comes with this really cute matching ruler that you can just attach right here. And then it's easy for like measuring washi tape for your different layouts and your days of the week and stuff like that. And it also comes with this really cute attachable bag that you can also keep your stickers in, and just pop that right into the planner as well. And then it comes with this Celebrate Everyday Perpetual Calendar, which has all the months in here. But what I like to do with this is it has important passwords and stuff in the back. I put all my important passwords for like my credit cards or my phone accounts or just any kind of account that I need to remember a password or anything. And I also like to stick that in that back pocket of the planner so that I don't lose anything. And yeah, so I just think this is a really, really functionable planner. It is a bit pricey, which is why I want to give one away to you guys in case you've been wanting it and you just haven't been around or got around to getting it. I would love to give one away for you guys. I hope you're excited about this giveaway, and I'm sure you will love this planner. And if you guys want to see plan with me videos, please let me know, because I think they're so fun to watch and I would love to film some for you guys. So I wish you guys all good luck for this giveaway, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.
Girl, put your love on me, 'cause I won't let you down. I won't let you down. And we'll be singing. Girl, put your